Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to begin typing up my research paper. As you can see, the one that I am working on is exactly like the one that you all have in front of you now. So I'm going to fill this in exactly how you need to. So it says name. Well, my name is Miss Elliott. The planet I searched was Earth. Oops, I want those underlined. There we go. There you go. And then it says introduction. Now, when you are writing an introduction paragraph, it's important to use a tool called indentation. Indentation is just a fancy word for indent. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit tab 2 times in order to create, or actually, no, I think it's 1 time. Hit your tab 1 time, and then you're going to begin your writing. It should be double spaced. There should be dots here, here, and here, and so on. I will double space, just like you guys are expected to. But we are going to go ahead and take a look at what we need to write. So going back to my Pear Deck, I am going to look at the previous steps that I took, and I am on step 1, right? Nope. Where's step 1? Okay, step 1. Going through. I'm going to copy these 3 sentences down. So it says, did you know that the Earth is the only planet that can support human life? So, did you know that Earth is the only planet that can support human life? Question mark. Oops, that's not double space. Sorry. Give me a second. I'm trying. Let's do double space. There we go. That looks a little bit more similar to your guys' paper. I know it does look just a little bit differently, but I want you to be able to see what I'm writing specifically. So just like your Christmas story, it's just a little bit different. So my second sentence is going to be, that means that that only Earth has what we need in order to live. So that means that only Earth, yeah, there you go, has what we need. And my last sentence from that slide is going to be, without the support from Earth, we couldn't survive. Okay, now I'm going to go to my Pear Deck again, and I'm going to hit the next slide. Nope, not what I wanted. Next slide. Ooh. Okay, so then you're going to take exactly what it says here. See this? This entire this entire sentence, and you're going to copy it down. Actually, it's 2 sentences, but still, you all know what I mean. You all have lived on a planet your entire life. This makes it important to know about the other planets in our solar system. So, you all have lived You can see that I have slightly changed that sentence just because I like the way that this sounds a little bit more. It says this makes it important to know about the other planets around us. And then you're going to go to bad words. Step 3. Read this paper to learn about how Earth was discovered, what it looks like, and why it is different from other planets. Keep reading to learn all about it. So I'm going to type exactly that. So read this paper in order to learn about don't remember the whole thing. And how it is. Nope. And right there, my introduction is done. Now, for our introduction, we only expect you to have 7 sentences. This is different than how your Christmas one was done, but instead of having 3 paragraphs, you're going to have 5. So we only expect you to have 7. Now, writing down exactly what it said through steps 1 through 3, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If you follow the directions, you will have a complete paragraph. Then you're going to go to a new line because when we are moving on to the next paragraph, we hit enter. And we are going to write your own paragraph now because I am done with my own introduction. And then after you get your introduction written, meet me on the next video in order to figure out how to write paragraph 1.